Make a wish, make a wish.
Happy birthday.
Open the gift, open the gift.
You gotta open the gift, darling.
Namak at the back. I swear I'm gonna throw it on your faces.
Hey guys, and welcome back to today's vlog. Today's vlog is very special to us because we are planning our friend's birthday. So she has planned actually an iftar party, but we have some things very special to gift her. So she has no idea about it. And we've also planned a small surprise. So in this vlog, I will take you through the celebrations till tomorrow. That is, we are going to be celebrating her birthday by celebrating iftar together. Her birthday is on the 25th, but we're going to be there with her 24th night, and we're going to have a stay over, a girl stay over. So let's go and meet the other friends who are waiting for us at my friend's place. I hope the lift comes down because it's very problematic.
How are you? क्यों? वो बोल रही है कि मैं अकेले हूँ। कैसे हो?
Hello. This is Asavari. We are planning for Sumaira's birthday. So she's like, yeah. She's not keeping too well. She's like, yeah, whatever. Oh, look who's here. Sumit has come all clean shaved. Say Sumit, say hi to my vlog. I'm vlogging today. This is Sumit. Yes, I'm vlogging today for Sumaira's birthday celebration.
I'm in pain.
Yeah, she's not keeping well. Who started first, by the way? He's like that. Who started first? I mean, it's still me. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay.
All rock, paper, scissors.
Huh?
All rock, paper, scissors.
No, I will start.
अच्छा,
So-
wait, hello, wait.
No, so Sumaira, मैं तुम्हें तुम्हारे बर्थडे के दिन ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि you are very special in my life, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आने के बाद I met you and you whenever you are with us एक मतलब मज़ा ही आ जाता है। तो तुम्हारे जो भी तुम कैरेक्टर जैसे भी तुम हो मुझको बहुत पसंद हो एंड मैं इतना ही बोलना चाहता हूँ कि जैसे तुम हो वैसे ही रहो एंड हैप्पी बर्थडे।
आशिकी ये तो तुम्हारा फेवरेट डायलॉग है एंड दो वी मेट मतलब with my post to my post, I'm really glad I did put it up and get in touch with you because it's been a very wonderful journey up till now, and I hope and pray that we always remain as we are right now, we three of us, like as we are, we always remain. And thank you for being there in the most difficult times, sometimes even just a listening ear that used to give us. So thank you for everything. You're very sweet. It is really fun to be around with you. It is very fun when you say, Shiki, Javani. And then you go like, oh shit, no, I didn't mean to say that. But yeah, we love every bit of you and we wouldn't change that for the world. And we hope you do not change as well. And we love you lot. Yeah, please keep that.
हाँ, okay. भले मैं पेन में बोल रही हूँ, but whatever I say is really true. So, hey Sumaira, it's been 2 months. I think we met each other, but I feel like हम पता नहीं कितने साल से एक दूसरे को जानते हैं. But yeah, I like we both share really a very great bond with you. And तुम जैसी हो वैसी रहो. I really hope you get your Mr. Perfect as soon as possible. I mean, we know the person. It's just like we need to cross the road between your and his building. She knows. So I wish you all the best in your life, and so it's your special day coming soon. We all will try our best to make it really memorable. Love you.
This is just the start.
Okay, it's my turn. So Sumaira, the Pudina girl. I think you're the first girl I have spoken. I mean Indian girl.
He's like, I mean.
Indian girl, yeah. First Indian girl I have spoken after reaching Geneva, and that too she's asking me, Bhaiya, you Pudina hai kya? Okay, so apparently I never thought कि हम मिलेंगे, and yeah, मिले किस्मत से फिर से, and I really enjoy your company. जो जोक्स क्रैक करने की जो क्षमता तुम में है इसमें भी बीच में शायद तुम अपना डायलॉग डाल सकती हो, हम जहाँ भी अटके थे. बट या आई रियली एंजॉय दैट मोमेंट विद यू व्हेन यू आर विद अस.
You can always come at my home anytime. इसको लेकर मत आना.
I have recorded you, literally recorded you.
I can repeat myself if
Yes,
you want.
please.
Eldon, you can come at any time if you want, whenever you want, but don't take this bad as with you.
Aye, aye, See you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Peace out.
We going
I
home.
wanted to be like.
I was like, okay, we are going home and it's
Okay.
अंदर लेके जाओ ना उसको.
ये कौन से टाइम पे कहाँ पे नॉक हो रहा है यार?
How are you feeling? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling sleepy because I have to work tomorrow.
He's feeling relaxed because he has just feet. So.
Yeah.
This is all going on channel. There's
Thank
no
you,
editing.
Sabri.
She has no idea.
Bye. Bye. Okay. Guys,
Bye-bye.
good night. Take care. Take care. Yeah. So today is the 24th after closing yesterday. I forgot to do the morning and show you all how I'm doing the card. So I'm preparing a card for her and I'll give you all a closer look. I thought it was more mess earlier, but I've used the barbecue sticks so that I can make balloon sticks out of it. And this is her card that I'm going to be giving her. And this is entirely done with nail polish. There's a little message inside for her. So I made this a little thick so that it does not create a problem. And there's a little message inside for her. So we are all ready now to go. So finally the time has come to celebrate her birthday. So her gift is in this bag. So we have bought a gift for her. That is from me and Asawari. And I will tell her the meaning of the gift later. And the second thing is what I have made for her is a card on behalf of ye wala. She actually considered him as a brother. She looks at him as a brother. So I made a card on behalf of me. How are you feeling right now?
I feel amazing to have you guys in my life. I'm
Oh my
super blessed. And I'm super hungry, so I'm gonna eat.
ये वही लड़की थी पता है, पुदीना नहीं, ये वही लड़की थी. मैंने सनग्लासेस नहीं लिए यार व्लॉग में.
Okay, saying that हाँ मैं जा रहा हूँ, मैं थक गया हूँ, I have to go to my friend or something, and then he comes back at 12 o'clock and he's like, hi, and I'm like, bro, I swear like when the doorbell rang, I knew it's him. But anyway, they turned off the light. मुझे गाना चाहिए, रुको मेरे बर्थडे पे मेरा गाना बजेगा.
When I fall asleep, yeah, I need you with me by my side. It's all I know now. I need you with me by my side.
So we have a very special gift for Sumera, and Asavari and myself has come up with a small gift for her. I hope she likes it, and she's going to utilize it and remember us every time she uses this thing.
नमक मत देना मुझे.
Happy birthday.
Open the gift, open the gift.
You gotta open the gift, darling.
नमक का डब्बा है. I swear I'm gonna throw it on your faces. I know you girls so well. इसमें इन्होंने नमक रखा है. I'll tell you why.
अरे ये नमक इश्क का है.
ये क्या बकवास है?
Uri to ऐसे वैसे. Uri.
नमकीन.
Sorry, but I have to do this.
So I hope you remember us every time you cook. Honestly,
You know why? Because I was fasting and I made iftar and I forgot to put salt twice. So I said, so there's a thing, so they don't let me cook because they're like, namak nahi hai khane mein.
Okay, now this is your gift.
This is your main.
This is your main
इसमें क्या
gift.
है?
इसमें क्या है? उसमें बर्तन
इसमें
है. ले
आता
लो.
है.
Is it a panda?
I don't know. You gotta see, find out. It's not a panda.
There's a soft toy. Oh, there's something else too. Oh, he's so cute. This I know is not from Eldon because
Yeah.
Eldon asked me how old I was on
Yeah.
the way.
Exactly.
Yeah, but
भाई केक की थोड़ी सी
because we both
Cake
had
is amazing, guys. ये मुझे पता उसने बनाया, but मैं
अच्छा.
सबको बता रही
So
हूँ कि बहुत amazing है
that
क्योंकि
one
मैंने
is
खाया.
actually the
Every day
holder
cake
that we might be there, might not be there with you, around
Yeah,
you
ऐसे
or
लोगों
whatever.
को- You know, I've
But
been
we
crying the whole day.
always-
Don't even stop.
You
with
will
this.
always know that when you see the teddy bear, that we are always there with you.
Aw, let me give you guys a hug. Hold on.
वो गाना चाहिए होठों वाला.
Thank you so much.
Happy
No
birthday.
problem. There is one more surprise that is planned
Yeah.
for her, especially for her.
Aww. Wait. Yo, why would
That's
you
why I
put my
didn't.
pictures though? Aw, can you see it?
I was concentrating on her.
ये असावरी ने कहा है? So I was like, to give it a personal
It
touch.
actually went on the like on the.
You
On
can
the
see it? I look like a gangster here. Why the?
concentrated.
Okay, concentrate. Yo, this is my gangster look, by the way. Which one of you stalked my face? Oh! Did you see that shit? Okay, this you can see. This you can
Listen to this.
You have something to say, okay?
Because it's been a very wonderful journey up till now, and I hope and pray that we always remain as we are right now.
सुमित तैयार है अपनी बारी के लिए सुमित अपनी बारी का बारी मैं तो अपनी शक्ल वगैरह सेट करके आया हूँ
यार टीम क्या कौन सी मूवी देख रहे थे अपन हाँ
Thank you so much everyone. This is super nice. And तुमने सही टाइम पे फोन कटवा दिया वरना मेरा
और उसको बोल रही मम्मी मैं क्यों बोल रही था नहीं उसको पता है
Okay.
thank you so much.
I need someone to hold my mind. I need someone. I need someone.